I'm in Gothenburg today. Good friend of mine, DJ Freddie. Known each other for over 20 years now. Been playing a lot of music together. We even owned a car firm together as well back in the day.
Yeah, back in the day. Washing cars, detailing cars.
Yeah, so yeah, recently you called me up and told me that you bought a new car, man. Or...
Yeah, I send you a text message with a picture, that's it.
And we're in it right now, and it's 2008 Audi TTS.
Yes.
It's not just any old TTS though, is it?
No, it's the big engine, and I think this car is from 2009, and I think that was the first year they made the TTS, a bit more sporty TT, with some more power.
I mean, for a car, it's 2009, yeah?
Yep.
I think I said 2008 at the beginning, yeah, but it's a 2009 car. It looks really modern, you know?
Yeah, I had that a lot. A lot of people think it's almost brand new. I said, no, it's not. It's over 10 years.
I guess even the newer TTs are very similar to this as well, aren't they?
It is. I think they changed the backlight, the headlights, a few minor things, but overall,
it's pretty
design looks the same.
It's pretty much a winning formula, isn't it? It's like what Porsche do with their 911s. It's like, why change it if it ain't broke, kind of thing.
Yeah.
But this one here, you know, we've been driving around in it for a while now, and I don't know what these cars originally come with power-wise.
It's 270 something for all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But this one been shipped to stage 2. So
right.
It's 320.
You can feel that as well, can't you?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
loads of power.
Yeah, it just flies.
Really nice exhaust note in this car as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, and yeah, I think it's nice. Now, before we go into that electric era, just have a car like this and enjoy it as it lasts, I guess.
When it comes to the suspension setup in the car as well, does it normally ride like this, or?
No, I don't have a sport suspension. You can have this magnetic suspension on these cars, and it's tightening up the car a lot. It's not that comfortable.
So the previous owner didn't do anything with like the shocks or anything like that?
I don't need to. We have this magnetic ride.
Right. Okay.
So I guess that's quite advanced system.
So when you're engaging that system, it's just going to give you harder suspension.
Yeah, stiffer suspension. Yeah.
Right. It's also got the Steptronic box that a lot of the Audis come with back in the day as well. I'm guessing there.
Yeah, dual clutch.
Yeah.
So it's quick, shifts quick.
I mean, it's a really nice car, and I know you picked it up for decent money as well. We don't have to discuss that, but even if you get these things retail 2009, you could possibly pick up a classy sports car for, you know, saloon car money.
Yeah. I think very valuable, but you have to check service history and everything around the car, so make sure it's okay. But they're well built, and I think they're going to last a long time. A lot of the parts of the car is made of aluminium, so. Okay.
I mean, you feel like it's got so much grip. The engine note, I love it, and you know, that's probably standard with the stage 2 as well. You get the performance as well, mad performance. Because I think 270 around that is kind of enough. But then you start going into the 300s. You're going into like M car sort of territory. Yeah,
I think it makes sense. If you have a sporty car, you need a performance to match the looks of the car. So I think that's what I wanted anyway.
So I guess you'll be hanging on to this for a while then, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Or buy something quicker.
Because you're an Audi guy. You've had a few Audis back in the day, haven't you? So.
I had a lot of Audis, all Quattro as well. So.
I mean, you're quite similar to me. You've had a lot of VWs, a lot of Audis. You like to stay in the German market here when it comes to cars and build quality and that.
Definitely.
All right then. So this has been an episode here in Gothenburg. This car isn't for sale, as you just heard.
Everything is for sale.
So this has been a different episode here in Gothenburg with my mate Freddie and his Audi Tts. Remember the S, yeah? So if you've liked the episode, don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back for next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.